award-winning Extol CNC CMM comes with a range of probing options. In this video, we'll be looking at the comparison between the TP20 touch trigger probe and the SP25M contact scanning probe. So let's take a look at some comparative cycle times. This is a basic example program measuring a plane, circle and chamfer of a ring gauge. You can see immediately the SP25 cycle time is drastically reduced due to its ability to stay in constant contact with the surface. Here completing the cycle time in only 20 seconds. The touch probe takes a lot longer as it needs to back off and break the circuit for every single point it takes, meaning cycle times are longer and it also gathers much less data. Here the cycle comes to a complete stop after 49 seconds, which is far longer than the 20 of the SP25. The SP25 gathers far more data, giving full form verification, meaning no part of the surface goes undetected. Stylus lengths are another key difference, with TP20 only supporting a max of 60mm, whereas the SM25-3 supplied with the Extol supports up to 200mm stylus lengths.